Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. Look at that. That connector is not suitable for this outdoor wet location. That's a violation of 314.15. And I'm pretty sure this is all UF cable. I don't think it's NM cable. Pretty sure it's UF, but check out the way this box is supported. That is a violation of 314.23. It's really only being held up by those cables. That's a problem. And then those staples that are used to hold up the cables, they're pretty rusty. I don't know that they're rated to be used in this outdoor wet location, so that's probably a violation of 300.6. So we got the loose box, we got the wrong type of connectors, and probably the wrong type of staples for this outdoor wet location.